Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Grade 3. So now we are on chapter 9 that said advice to the little children. So there are some suggestions, some advice for the little children and they should follow them. So this poem is about small pieces of advice that the poet wants to give to the little children. So let's read the poem. Before that, we have the words and we need to circle the synonyms. So first one has been done for you. Intelligent means bright, smart. Hardworking, it is diligent and tireless. Friend is your pal and your companion. And happy means cheerful and joyful. So let's read the poem. Bless those little children that love to go to school. Blessed be the children that obey the golden rule. Okay, so the poet says that the children, the little ones who go to school are really good ones and God has to, God should bless them because, they are regular with their studies, they listen to their parents, they wake up early and they go to school. Blessed be the children that obey the golden rule. And all the blessings, all the good wishes are with the children, who follow the good rules. Now, what are the good rules? What are the good golden rules? You should respect your elders. You should love your parents. You should, love your younger ones. You should help your parents. Then you should obey your teachers. You should respect your grandparents, right? You should take care of your pets. So these are the golden rules, right? You should be polite with everyone. You should not hurt anybody. Children, love your parents. So the poet says that you should all love and respect your parents, for they have cared for you. The parents, they really care for us, and there's nobody else on the earth who cares for their kids more than the parents. They take care of us, when we were small. They are the ones who made us right, who made us learn how to walk, how to eat, right? So we should really respect them. When we were little infants is when we were small. Infants, a very young child. They watched and prayed for you. So they are the ones who used to, take care of us and they used to pray for us. It is not that when we were infants, then only our parents, they pray for us or they care for us. Parents being parents, they always love their children. They always pray for them. They always wish the best for them. Love your little schoolmates. So you should love your little schoolmates, the friends you have in your school. You should believe in sharing and loving. Be gentle in your play. You should be kind, right? You should not break the rules. You should not fight. You should not hit anybody. Be kind to your teachers and their commands obey. Okay. You should be kind to your teachers. You should be polite. You should respect them and you should follow all the guidelines, the instructions, and you should obey them. Oh, then will you be happy in the bright world to come. So if you follow all these golden rules, you will be a happy one. Everybody will love you. For then your friends will love you forever, little one. So you'll be loved by everyone, your friends, your family members, your neighbors. So if you are good enough, if you follow the golden rules, if you love everybody, you respect your parents, you be kind and gentle with your friends, then you will be loved by all. So it's a poem written by Julia A. It can be more, it can be more because it's a pronoun. You can pronounce it anyway. So let's come to the exercise. Which of the following is the opposite of hate? Love, very good. Which words means the same as kind? Gentle. Okay, coming to the next, we have the extract, and based on the extract, we need to answer the questions. Those children are blessed who love to go to school, love their parents, both A and B. According to the poet, what is the golden rule? So according to the poet, the golden rule is, you should love your parents because they are the ones who care for you and you should take care of them too. Children should love their parents, absolutely true. Dash watched and prayed for you. Our parents, they took care of us and they prayed for us. So coming to the question answers, how should the little children behave with the teachers? So how do you feel you should behave with your teachers? Yes, we should respect them, we should obey them, and we should follow the guidelines, because whatever they say is for our good, is for our betterment. What are the good habits a child should inculcate? So a child should go to school regularly, a child should love his or her parents, then a child should, be very lovable and friendly with the schoolmates, very kind and gentle with the teacher, and a child should love all the people around so that he is loved in turn. In Okay, now next, name the poem and the poet. So what is the name of the poem? The poem is, what is the name? It's Advice to Little Children. And who wrote it? It is Julia who wrote it, right? So that was all about the poem. Hope you all loved it. You should all follow the good rules. Try to be a good person, right? So read the poem once again, go through the exercise. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.